Hello guys, I'm Harley Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case you have forgot your Gmail password. Either it is old one or new one, Gmail ID. How do you recover without having the recovery email and the recovery phone numbers? In a case someone who has hijacked, hacked, spontaneously stolen your Gmail password, misused the Gmail password. Now you would like to rescue it. How would I? We will see. Unfortunately, this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that, he doesn't have the phone and the recovery email so that he can reset. What are the alternative approach and what's the best ones to recover or reset the password? Particular of this idea we will see live here, but this is only for institution purpose, so don't misuse it. Let's live. Right now we are on a Google sign in a Google browser. Just we will go for next to find out this ID exists or not. Yes, it is. Just we will go for forgot password, and we can see here use the face etc. This lock is just saying that on particular this device we don't have a phone number also, so how could I approach of this thing also? We will see we don't have. So now it's saying that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really to recover this account, try again, answer his questions, and if your account is managed with the family links, we have the send an emails to the parents to change the password. After all, it's essential that if you have the alternative email, then of course Google will contact you by if we try multiple times here, then this page will be open, and of course there you will have to provide your ID with legal documents on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is your or not. But total estimated time that can be expected more than 48 hours, so we cannot wait such a long time. And not sure so that we will be recovered by this method, so just we will approach by alternative way. Just to cut it from here, and upon of course we will come the Play Store. In a Play Store we have here right on a search. In search here, just we will go for here. One is a Santa browser. This ones we will go for here to install it. So now see it has started to install. Now easily by this browser of course so that we can recover this area. So now it has started to install. Let it installs, then of course we will tap on it, and two changes that is very crucial on this browser, Google and of course Chrome also. So we come in a F4, especially we will come in a allow, let's tap on it. Yes, we will off and we will back it. Let's see. Then we will have to go for here in permission of course we will have to navigate the location by tapping on it, make the precise location off, then click on here don't allow anyway, so no longer the function as intended. Of course this browser fine, we will have to back one more time, and of course here is a set as a default. Just we will open this. Now here the make it enable, and 4-5 times clear this, then of course make it disable, then we'll have to cut it from here, and similar things of course we will have to do in a Chrome browser. So let's do here. Right now we will have to tap on it, this F4 guys. Now we will come the permission especially the notification, make it off, then we will have to back, and it is responding but slow, we will have to wait here guys. Now we will come the permission, in permission of course make it especially off this, will come the location, make the precise location off. When allow only using from the app, while you're using apps, and then it will be enabled, and then you will have to disable, then click here don't allow anyway, so no longer the function as intended. Anyone's apps and they also you are using suspected, then of course make it disable or don't allow that. Now just we will here simply we will have to back, and one more time. Now we are on a default browser apps. Now that we have this ones of course enable, so we will cut it from here. Let's open. So now here Yes, we will tap on this and we can check it out here that this browser is finally opening. Just we will have to wait here. Yes, it's now welcoming, so almost of course would be especially. Let's go for now. It has been the opens. Let me cut it from here. Then of course here. Yes, we will tap on it. Now we will come on here. Right here, googleco.in, and we will come on here tapping this. Let's see. Now that we are on this side, just we will go for here. Now we will have to write here that ID. Now we will pick these ones, and then of course we will go for here next. So I think I mistaked here. Just we will have to go the once again here this particular ID. Then of course we will go for tap on a next. Now it's asking a password. Just we will come on here, forgot password. Now here is especially this security key of the particular this device that now it's essential that especially I did not provide enough information for the Google to be show this thing is a coming, but more additional 2-3 features are coming. Answer as many questions as we can and use a device where we have signed in before. Third, when the manage list, especially your account is managed, especially with the family link, should we have sent an emails to your the parents to the change your password. Here is more tips to recover this account. So just we will picture these ones. Don't click on a tag, otherwise of course in this account would be a phrase for terming. Why it's so? Because of I'm trying to recover these accounts via different browsers, and that's why. So just to recover tips or more tips to recover this account, we will picture this option but via different way, so that Google recover itself. Tap on a setting, guys, and in a setting after here we will have to come in we will come in a especially the Google service. Now in a Google service, just we will tap on this help option is open here. Now let's see. Now here what we will do, we will go for the concerns in this Gmail accounts. Now here is a forgot that you think someone else is using this account's files. Now we have picked these options, so of course new option will be open. Secure these accounts we would like to. Now here we will have to come to review your account activities where it is. Now let's see. Now here is a find out if your account has been hacked, and this option we will have to pick. Now we can see it's a related Gmail, as we know that here. So just we will go for these tips to recover these accounts of the particulars. Now here is we have options that what is still concern, what's in the created replacement is especially the Google accounts and avoiding getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. By two options here is especially account google.coms, and fourth one option is especially see that we can here is no options, here is no options. There is one option the account recovery page, and here is arrow. So can I add and see check your spam folder for the messaging of these things, or if you expected an email is especially from our teams junks folder, this kind of the things is special having. So now here is a special the account google.coms. Here is arrow, but of course right now just we must pop for account recovery page, because this page is designed for here. Let's see. Now here we come directly on here. Just we will have to write in this particular yes Gmail, and of course we will have to here simply tap on our next. Let's see what's going to happen. See what happens directly. We are on here. Just click on and continue. Don't. Why I'm telling you? So because it's a verify option, you would be a trap. So that's why actually, guys, here just to tap on it, change the password, and see what's going to happen here. Now that we have a strong opportunity to create or generate a new password, confirms a new password, go for change it. After changing and upon here is a dot, that see yellow dot, just we will tap on it, and upon after tappings, then we will go for manage your Gmail accounts, and there add in a security center of the going to add the recovery email and recovery phone number. Here is a section that add the recovery email as a backup. You have travel sign in there. So obviously this can be of course. Here is an option given that avoid locked with the recovery emails. This kind of incident won't be happens, guys. Once again on the live screen that we cannot the creator the strong the password here because this would be in a public domain. And this may be a security concerns by a similar style. So that's why actually after a screen off, of course, we will generate and we will deliver to this this viewer. So this is all about in this video tutorials. Further any inquiry, of course, drop the query in the comments box. The pleasure would be mine to reply your query. And of course, to more update, and if it has the benefit to you in any way, then don't forget like, subscribe, this content because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to the market. Such an informative tutorial, guys. So thank you very much for that. Have a great time. Bye bye.